Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at what you do when you're given just part of a ratio and not all of it. So last time we were given a total amount to share across a whole ratio. This time you're just given an amount that represents part of the ratio, okay? So we're going to have a look at this, and my main advice is that you need to read the question very carefully to decide whether you're talking about the total or just part of it, and you'll see what I mean when we're looking at the example now. So this first one, it says Amy and Melissa share some money, we don't know how much in total, in the ratio 3:5. So Amy gets 3 because she's first, and Melissa gets 5 because she's second. Now Melissa gets £35, so we're told how much Melissa gets, not how much they both get in total, just how much Melissa gets. How much money do they have in total? So always start, same as before, drawing out your boxes. So Amy gets 3 boxes and Melissa gets 5 boxes. Right, then think, what does this £35 represent? It represents how much Melissa gets. So £35 is divided into the 5 boxes that Melissa gets. So we're not dividing by all of it. We're dividing by just how much Melissa gets, because the £35 represents what she gets. So I'm doing 35 divided by 5, and I get 7. So that means in all the boxes, because all the boxes are always the same, there are £7. So the difference between this and the last one is last time we divided it by all the boxes. This time we're just dividing it by part of the ratio, okay? Now, going back to the question, how much money do they have in total? So in total, we've got 8 boxes, 3 plus 5 is 8, and each box has got £7 in it. So in total, I would do 8 times 7, which is 56. And that is your answer there. Okay, one more example then. A builder mixes cornstarch, cement and water to make concrete in the ratio 2:5:1. The builder uses 15 kilograms of cement. How much cornstarch does he use? So same starting point as last time, we're going to do our boxes. So the cornstarch is first, and that gets 2 boxes. Then we've got the cement, and that gets 5 boxes. And then we get water, which has 1 box. Now, going back to this 15 kilograms, that is talking about how much cement there is. So not how much in total, not how much cornstarch, not how much water, how much cement there is. So that means we're splitting 15 kilograms into the 5 boxes that cement has got. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So that means that every box, because the boxes are always the same, has got 3 kilograms in it. The question asks how much cornstarch there is. So we need to look at the cornstarch. It's got 2 boxes with 3 in each. So I would do 2 times 3, and that gives us 6 kilograms. So make sure that you've got those examples written down and that you understand them, and then have a go at these 2 practice questions on your own. So have a go at these, pause the video, come back and see if you got it right. Okay, so first one. John, Peter and Mary share some marbles in the ratio 3:4:7. Given Peter gets 16 marbles, work out how many John and Mary get. So first things first, we're going to do our boxes. So John gets 3 boxes. Peter gets 4 boxes. And Mary gets 7 boxes. Now, it says, given Peter gets 16. So Peter gets 16. Peter is the person with 4 boxes. So we're splitting 16 marbles between 4 boxes. So that means that every box has got 4 marbles in it, because 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, we've done the tricky part. Now we need to see how many John gets. So John gets 3 boxes of 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. And Mary gets 7 boxes of 4, and 7 times 4 is 28. And that's your final answer there. Okay, next question, last one. To make purple paint, Josh mixes blue and red paint in the ratio 5:3. Given Josh uses 27 centilitres of red paint, how much blue paint will he use? So starting off as usual, we're going to do our boxes. So first we've got blue and red paint. So blue paint has got 5 boxes because it's the first thing in the ratio, and red paint has got 3 boxes. Now, Josh uses 27 centilitres of red paint. So we're splitting 27 across the 3 boxes that red has got. And you get 9. And that means that every single box has got 9 centilitres in it because all the boxes are always the same. So we're asked to find out how much blue paint he uses. There are 5 boxes of 9 centilitres of blue paint. So we're doing 5 times 9 is 45. And that is your final answer. Okay, so once you've got all that done, make sure that you do the exit card and a worksheet if there is one.